I picked this up at Harbor Freight when it was on sale, because that's when it's that's the better financial option, to be honest. And they have sales all the time. And this is what I did with it. So what's cool is that this case has these little foam blocks, and you just kind of peel them out and you can make whatever shape that you want. And it's pretty cool. So I already had this little 2 battery pack charger, and so I fit that in here, and I wrapped the cable all the way around so that these things can charge from outside of the case. And the case is waterproof. This is waterproof. It has RTV sealant all the way around it. And you'll notice there's 2 here, and one leads to this cable, which has a little magnet on the back that can charge my controller. So it just fits in here upside down like that, all the way down, and that plugs in, and boom. So now both of my batteries and my controller here are all being charged from outside the box. And I wanted to do this because I wanted to be able to have the box closed with everything sealed and be able to charge it while I'm in the truck or in the camper or whatever. And that way I could stack stuff on top of it as well. But there's enough room in here to actually put some little accessories here. I've got the little filters here. This is my wide angle lens. I've got screwdrivers and more charging cables. I have a ton of little blades that I picked up on Amazon for really cheap. And all of that just gives me extra storage for when I crash this thing again, that I'll have all the spare parts that I need to get this thing back up and running. And I like to have a little protector on, but it's not really necessary in this. You'll see that I kind of took some of the foam and I double stacked them so they're a little bit high. That way when this fits in here, it's a little more flush. And that's pretty much it.